2018 Dodge Journey. Dodge Journey combines the practicality of an SUV with the comfort of a car, all while boasting a style all its own. The Journey's optional third-row seat, along with innovative features like a chilled beverage cooler and in-floor storage bins, make it a good and affordable alternative to a traditional minivan. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: stability control, traction control, keyless entry, anti-lock braking system, steering wheel audio controls, power steering, adjustable steering wheel, cruise control, keyless start, floor mats, four-wheel disc brakes, rear defrost, front-wheel drive, AM/FM stereo radio, child safety locks, MP3 player, CD player, power door locks, bucket seats. Searching for a dependable vehicle that looks great too? You found it, so stop in today.